Hello again, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, thanks for all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of them. Remember to also give the video a like. That helps to push the video. It doesn't cost to subscribe. It doesn't cost to give it a like, just to help me to push my channel. That will be much appreciated. Traditionally believed to lower blood pressure, protect and strengthen the nervous system and blood vessels. It is traditionally believed to reduce nerve pain, anti-inflammatory, natural anti-acid. It reduces depression and anxiety. It promotes your sleep. It strengthens the uterus. It reduces menstrual pain. It increases milk production and treat bacterial infections. So that is what it is traditionally believed to do. So I'm mixing the Jamaican Blue Vervain and I'm mixing it together with a hay fever. Could I say concussion? It's a with the hay fever tea. It's a mixture of different herbs. So it says one is organic, Archilia millefolium, forgive me if I'm not pronouncing it properly, Sambucus nigra plus, Urtica dioica, and then it gives the direction: 1 tablespoon of hot water infused for 10 minutes, blah blah blah. So I bought these herbs and I typically drink them because it's the hay fever season, and yeah, it helps with my hay fever. And the Blue Vervain, it really helps, especially when it comes on to my sleeping, because I'm terrible at sleeping, so I have bad sleeping habits. So I try to drink the Jamaican Blue Vervain, which for me it helps. So that's what this video is all about. So I'm just boiling it on the stove. I boil mine for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I let it sit on the stove and boil for about 5 minutes, and I have a cup before I go to bed. So this is what is on the cooker. Guys, thanks for watching this small little clip, and remember to like, share and subscribe. You can zoom in on the products also to get additional information. Thank you.